This fish eats jellyfish diligently at the surface. Scuba divers are eager to see them, but their habitat isn't clear, and their numbers are low. Meeting a sunfish can be a once-in-a-lifetime dive. It's said they lay over 300 million eggs. Dissections of ovaries confirmed this huge number, yet no one knows where or how they actually spawn. Sunfish can't swim fast, and they're large enough to be easy targets for predators. But they taste bad, so most predators leave them alone. Their growth is unusual, from a 2mm fry to 4 meters and 2 tons in just 2 years. They are stress-sensitive and can die easily, yet adults live up to 20 years. It's paradoxical. With so many mysteries, the sunfish is famous as one of the most enigmatic creatures of the sea.